everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive AI features that won't load on iPhone. First of all, make sure you have the latest Drives and Docs app, and the Google AI features are available in your Reason/account. Go to your app store and make sure your Google Drive app is updated to the latest version. Also make sure that the Drive's AI option is available in your region or country. The AI tool is still rolling out in different regions step by step, so you may not have it. Then you're going to restart the app and try again by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and swiping Drive away. Then if it's still broken, use the desktop browser as a flashback. Safety tip: do not paste sensitive personal data on AI tools. Treat output as assistive, not authoritative. Quick fix: clear app data by reinstalling the app, which often reinitializes AI features, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.